Start with the classic three-point lighting. Now you'll see this lighting used in videos all the time, particularly when they're interviewing a person. It's exactly the same as we saw right at the beginning of this video. Now three-point lighting, as the name suggests, requires 1, 2, 3 lights. And we're using the Super Softbox kit from Mikensu, which is a brilliant kit for this because it gives continuous lighting, flicker-free, and being low-energy lights as well, they're not hot for your subject. So let's start with our main light here. This is called the key light. It's the most important light because it's the one that's going to light your model. And for this one, I'm going to use all 4 bulbs that this lamp has. It's the brightest lamp of our set. Now the other side is the fill light. This is going to fill in the shadows that are going to be caused by that light, and we don't want it quite as bright, so this is going to have half brightness, so 2 lamps on. Finally, we've got one just above my head. That's called the hair light. You can guess what that does, I guess, by the name really. Exactly, it's going to light my hair. But not only my hair, but also my shoulders. And it's that little light there that really makes this three-point lighting system look so good. Well, that's the theory, but let's see how these lights actually work individually with a proper background. So the lights are all set up. Let's have a look at the lights one by one. At the moment, there's only this one on my left-hand side, the main key light that's turned on. Hence you're seeing this rather harsh lighting. Now this is kind of moody, rather stylish, but it's not the look we're going for today. Now that's around about 45 degrees, about 1.5 meters from me, well out of shot. Now the trouble with this is I'm getting great lighting on this side, but I'm getting lousy dark lighting on the other side. So to get rid of those heavy shadows, we're going to add the second light, which is the fill light. And that is just going to fill the light from the right hand side, it's going to fill the shadows and give much more even lighting. But it's not completely even, there is a difference between the two. Because that light is only half the power of our main light, you're finding that it will still get a little bit of darkness down one side. Now that just leaves one last light, just above my head there, just out of shot, and that's the hair light. Now at the moment my hair is kind of disappearing into the background a little bit, and my shoulders, well, they're there but they're not that clear. Turn on the hair light however and things change a little bit. Now we're getting a much more defined top to my head. It's not great hair but it's there nonetheless, and my shoulders, the tops here are now much better defined against the pure black background. Now we've got a pure black background there because it really does show how this three-point lighting system really works.